In this video, I will be showing you how to replace the oven element on a Zanussi cooker. Remember to work safely by disconnecting the appliance before attempting any repair. The oven element is located behind a panel at the back of the oven here. There are 4 screws holding it onto the 4 corners that need to be removed. Take the panel out and the element is here. I'm going to remove the 2 torque screws that hold the element at the top. Drop the element slightly forward as the terminals for the element are at an angle and release the connections with a pair of pliers. The new element terminals are straight, but the element is shorter, so will fit perfectly. Connect the wiring back onto the element and place it back into position. Line the holes for the screws and refit. Place the panel back against the cavity wall and refit the 4 screws into the panel. Fan oven element on a Zanussi cooker done. Watch our other helpful videos and subscribe to our channel.